On today's video, we're going to change out this leaking shower valve. This is a Moen posi-temp cartridge. Let's go ahead and change it out. First thing we do is shut the water off. After removing the plate, we have two stopper valves. You shut it off here. You have your cold and your hot. Unfortunately, these valves are bad too. We have to change those out. So we have to shut off the main, either isolation or the main. Now that the water's off, let's go ahead and pull out the cartridge. First we do is remove this retainer clip holding the cartridge down. You see it. Put that aside. Now you can pull the cartridge straight out, but this one was kind of stubborn, so we're going to use this Moen cartridge puller tool. Shot it.
Pliers in there. Come out. Probably not.
So one just fell off now. What's this? Oh, look.
Since the stopper valves weren't working, now would be a good time to change them out. Pretty simple. All you do is remove the retainer clip and pull it straight out. It's always a good idea to change these out since we have the water off for the next guy. So we'll put grease on it.
Yeah, really one.
And just put it back same way you pulled it out in reverse order. Push it all the way back. Put your retainer clip back on. Make sure it goes all the way in. And then do the same to the other side. Now let's put our cartridge back in. Okay. Okay, you got your hot and cold, right?
Yep.
Now we just slide in the cartridge into the valve. It should go in fairly easy.
See, something might be wrong with this thing too.
I want to just push in. These are good. Everything's normal there. I can't push it anymore.
Okay, the reason why the valve's not going in, you can see some calcium buildup right here inside the body. So let's go ahead and clean it up. I'm going to use some emery cloth. Let's go ahead and clean up all the calcium buildup with some emery cloth. I did get some of you not going in very easy. So I can clean this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hot and cold. Okay, push the valve all the way back. After it's all the way in, let's replace our retainer clip. Make sure it goes all the way into the bottom.
Oh, that was right in.
All right. There it is. Okay, let's turn our water back on, put it back together, and test it out. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.